Sorry? You had better to go home. The rules. Had better, had rather, would better, would rather. If you find these words in a sentence, you will have to be sure that there will be no change in the verb. If you find two in the bracket verb, you will have to omit the two. And there is no change of the main verb. Main verb will remain in the base form. Have you understood me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Read out the next.
Would that I go to college?
Okay, would that. This is another rule. If you find would that in a sentence, you will have to take could before the main bracket verb or after the subject. Would that I could go. Would that I could. If you find would that, you will have to take could before the bracket verb or after the subject. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
I went to the library with a view to read there.
I went to the library with a view to read there. This is a phrase. There are some phrases in English with a view to look forward to and get used to. Usually after to, the main verb will remain unchanged. But in the case of with a view to look forward to and get used to, you will have to add ing with the main verb.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next.
Sir, he ran away having take the money.
He ran away having
Take the money.
take the money. Okay. Having is perfect participle.
Perfect participle.
There are three types of participle: present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. And having is considered as perfect participle. After having, you will have to change the verb into the third form of the verb. That means past participle. Having taken the money. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
Fancy, I turned
I fancy. Wish fancy. It is time, it is high time. Ago, long since. Yesterday and last day, last year, last month. If you find such types of words in the sentence, this sentence surely will be turned into past indefinite. That means the verb will remain in the past form. That means the second forms. Turned. I fancy I turned a trifle pale. আমার মনে হয় আমি কিছুটা ফ্যাকাশে হয়ে গিয়েছিলাম.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the next?
I wish I could be a
Wish. Few minutes ago or a minute ago we have talked. Wish fancy. It is time. It is high time. Ago, long since, and last যুক্ত যে কোনো কথা যদি থাকে, we will must turn the verb into past form. So what is the verb in the bracket?
Sir, to be verb.
Be. তাহলে
Where?
I wish I were. I wish I were. Usually we use was after I or he, but at times it be where if the theme or meaning is a little bit different or the purpose is different. Okay, what is the next?
He speaks as though he knows
As though. As though and as if, these are conjunction. Here these are acting as an conjunction. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and walaikum assalam.
ये कौन पुरुष
Such types of sentence you will find two clauses. How many clauses? Two clauses. One is before as if or as though, and another is after as if and as though. If you find present indefinite or present perfect in a clause, you will have to change the other into the past form. Again, if you find past form in one clause, we will have to change the other in past perfect. So how can we make sentence in past form?
Speaks as though we knew. He knew everything.
Speaks present indefinite, and that's why the later part will be in past form. No, again, new. Okay, what is the next?
One of the boys be absent yesterday.
One of the boys.
Be absent.
One of the means
One of the
একই জাতীয় স্যার।
a boy
One of the-
among many. অনেকের মধ্যে একজন
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
was.
হ্যাঁ,
Okay. Yesterday আছে
স্যার।
was.
was
Okay. What is the next?
It may come tomorrow.
It may come
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. The word tomorrow, the next day, indicate future,
फ्यूचर
जहाँ से कहीं जाए
near future, and you will have to take shall or will before the verb. Tomorrow he will come.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह
Will come. Okay?
Sir, you may come tomorrow.
May.
may come
May is a modal, and there is no change after modal. Okay. Next.
He said that he goes home the next day.
Okay. Very interesting. This is a complex sentence. Here there is a conjunction and there is that.
হ্যাঁ,
And before that there is a subject and a verb. And the verb is in the past form. Am I right?
হ্যাঁ, স্যার।
And in the later part or later clause, there is a word, the next day. The next day indicate future. But the first verb is in the past. Will you take will or shall? No. If the verb,
फटा
first verb is in the present, we can take shall or will. As the verb is in the past form, we shall have to take would. We shall have to
Take me.
take would before the bracket verb. Future in the past.
হ্যাঁ, স্যার।
Future in the
Past.
past. প্রথম ভার্বটা পাস্ট টেন্সে থাকার কারণে পরের সরাসরি শ্যাল বা উইল নিতে পারবো না, যদিও ভবিষ্যতের কথা বলা আছে। The next day. তাহলে কি করতে হবে? ফিউচার ইন দি পাস্ট, তাহলে উড নিতে হবে।
হ্যাঁ, স্যার।
বিষয়টা কি বুঝা গেছে?
ready
ওকে। নেক্সট।
The book was still.
বুক ওয়াজ
Still.
কোনো বই একা একই চুরি হয় না, কাউকে চুরি করতে হয়। সেই কাজটা একা একই প্রকৃতির নিয়মে হয় না,
स्टैंड की मूव
সেটাকে প্যাসিভ করতে হয়। The book was stolen. Book was stolen. Sorry?
If he works hard, he shall shine.
If you work hard, you will
He shines.
shine করতে হবে। If conditional. If you find if, you will have three items in the sentence of if. That's are known as conditional. Firstly, first condition, second condition, third condition. And there is another category that is zero conditional.
হ্যাঁ, স্যার।
It is rare. It is
Yeah.
rare. So whenever we will find first condition, if you see the verb of the if clause, if যুক্ত clause এ যদি ভার্বটাকে আমরা প্রেজেন্ট এ দেখি, if you find the main verb in present form in if clause, you will have to take will or shall in the next clause before the verb. You will have to take shall or will according to the subject
will.
And as they are modal, the main verb will remain unchanged. মূল ভার্বের কোনো পরিবর্তন
হবে না।
হবে না। যদি বাংলায় একটু বলি তোমাদের বুঝতে সুবিধা হবে। ইফের অংশে যদি ভার্ব প্রেজেন্টে থাকে তাহলে পরের অংশে শ্যাল বা উইল নেব। আর ইফের অংশের ভার্ব যদি পাস্টে থাকে তাহলে পরের অংশের যে ব্র্যাকেটের ভার্ব তার আগে উড কুড মাইট নেব। উড অথবা কুড অথবা মাইট। আর যদি ইফের অংশের ভার্বে আমরা পাস্ট পারফেক্ট দেখি হ্যাড সহ মূল ভার্বের পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল তাহলে পরের অংশে would have, could have, might have নেব। would, could, might এর সাথে have নেব এবং মূল ভার্ব পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল। দ্যাট ইজ থার্ড কন্ডিশন। ইফ এর অংশ যদি পাস্ট পারফেক্টে থাকে তাহলে পরের অংশটাকে আমরা পারফেক্ট কন্ডিশনাল করব, মানে would এর সাথে could এর সাথে বা might এর সাথে have নেব এবং মূল ভার্ব পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল করব। আর ইফ এর অংশের ভার্ব যদি পাস্টে থাকে তাহলে আমরা ব্র্যাকেটের ভার্বের আগে শুধু would, could অথবা might নেব। আর would, could, might যেহেতু মোডাল মূল ভার্বের কোনো পরিবর্তন হবে না। আর ইফ এর অংশের ভার্ব যদি প্রেজেন্টে থাকে তাহলে আমরা পরের অংশে শুধু শ্যাল বা উইল নেব। ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
দ্যাটস আর known as conditional sentence. Known as
Conditional.
conditional sentence. Okay, what is the next? If he came,
I go.
I go. Came, first form. Came is in first form and this sentence is a conditional sentence. Second conditional. If he came, I would go, I could go, or I might go. Time is over today, and that's why I am unable to continue the class. The rest will be discussed tomorrow.